Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to this week, week 13. So, week 13. Make sure you finish week 12's information by 10:30 at midnight. So, that is tomorrow, because I'm recording this on 10/29. So, tomorrow at midnight. This whole next week is exam 2. Now, look, we're getting to the end of the semester here. So, we have an exam, then a chapter, and then your final exam. So the due date for the final exam will be sent out soon. But we're getting really close to the end of the semester. Exam 2 is really important to do well on. So I'm going to have a little bit of information in regards to exam 2 in a study guide. The study guide will be in your announcement section of the course. So I'll post that very soon. Further, your exam 2 is going to be here at the bottom of the course content. You have to use Lockdown Browser again. And I'll put the password underneath the exam and in the announcement page so you know what it is. So exam 2 is due by 11/6, 11/6 in the day, so make sure you do it by that point. Look at post as well with terms to study for exam 2. So you're going to have a post with terms to study, and you're going to have the exam, which is due by 11/6 by end of the day. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Always available via email, and I can walk you through things if you need some help and assistance. Hope you're doing well. You guys are doing great in this class so far, and I appreciate all your efforts. Thanks so much.